Good morning, guys. It's Jack with Half Ton Fishing here. St. Patrick's Day weekend. It's Friday, off work. Getting a little bit of a later start this morning. Had a doctor's appointment this morning, but the weather's going to be awesome. It's going to be like 77 degrees today. It's about 10:30 right now. I'm going to try and find a couple fish. Brought some bass rods with me today. Got a couple rooster tails, little crappie jigs, things like that. Not exactly sure what we're going to get into. I'm just going to go hop around a little bit and see if I can't find some fish. Judging from the report I read this morning, the spots are starting to move up, get on some rocks, so maybe throw some spinnerbaits, some crankbaits, try and catch a couple bass. Don't really have high expectations, just going to try and make a little something happen. I got to be off the water about 3:30, 4 o'clock today, so I'm going to just rip around, see if we can't catch a couple fish. Well, guys, this is Jackson Lake for you right here. You pick any given day and this is what you got. Just nothing but debris as far as the eye can see. And we haven't even really had the storms yet. They're going to be moving in this weekend, but I mean, as you guys can see, there's no way to run a motor up through this safely. So we're just going to ease on down, try and get up towards like the Tussahall area where hopefully it'll be a little bit more clear. But it seems like the further onto this lake I get, the more stuff we have just floating around. I'll get back to you guys when we can get somewhere safe. All right, guys. Just pulling up, made it up to like the Tussahall Creek area. Water is just a hair more clear up this way than what we saw. It's definitely not great by any means, but who knows, hopefully we can pull a couple fish off. I'm gonna see what we can get started with. Got some moving baits tied on, crankbaits, spinnerbaits, got a couple worms, and we always got our little minnow shake if we can't get nothing else. There we go. First little fish of the day. Little spotted bass. I'll be damned. I just had that dangling over the side of the boat. He came up and, well, that's number 3. Can't make that up. There we go. Feels like something a little bigger. Oh, getting. half decent little spot there. Let him back. Came right off the end of that boat ramp there. Well guys, that's a wrap. Ran out of time. I think we ended up catching like 3-4 bass, a few brim. Not a terrible day, not the best day by any means. I've definitely had better, but we caught a few fish and that's all that matters. It was a good time. Weather was nice. It was great to be out on the water today. I am about to get up out of this cove. As soon as I do, I'm gonna be planing it out. Hopefully that debris is gone on the main lake because I've got to go. I got to get this boat out of the water or I'm going to be in trouble. I thought that was the wife calling me right then, but that was a spam call. I was about to say that's perfect timing. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching the Half Ton channel. We're going to be getting up out of here. As soon as I get past these next couple docks, I'm going to be on the road. So be sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys coming along with me.